One product that I'm particularly proud of, and we've just finished, is our VCT Solenoid Delete Kit. Now what it is, or the reason we made this kit, is because the VCT solenoids are not required once you've fitted a set of vernier sprockets to the Barra engine. Now the solenoid pokes through the rocker cover and it's sealed off with a seal, and it makes it very difficult to get the rocker covers in and out of the engine. So we make the solenoid delete kit to be able to delete the protrusion of this solenoid. So what it is very simple, a piece of CNC machined 6061 alloy, which we anodise. It's got the provision to block off the passages correctly inside the cam cap, and then it's simply fitted by sliding down into the tunnel in the usual fashion, and then fitting the retaining collar at the other end. So it bolts up very simply and very easily. It's very straightforward. It rectifies the problem of getting the rocker cover on and off the engine and leaky seals and all those sorts of things that come about when you don't need to use the solenoids anymore. We also have a little blank off plate, a little laser cut stainless plate which goes over the hole to blank it off nicely, so you don't need to weld in bungs or plugs or anything like that. We can just bolt those things on. So it's a fairly simple, effective and cost-effective repair to get around this problem of the solenoids in the rocker covers.